Happy New Year, everybody! How was your holiday season? Thank you so much for coming back to As Munchies. Well, I'm just so happy to see all of you again. I've been thinking what will be my first video in 2019 in As Munchies. I've been telling you that tonkatsu is my favorite recipe in the world. That could be my last supper in my life. But I just realized that I haven't uploaded the recipe of tonkatsu in As Munchies. So that should be my first video for As Munchies. Here we go! Tonkatsu! The ingredients are breadcrumbs, egg, and flour. And of course, pork fillet. When you see the back of the meat, you already know where to cut. So, you just slice it. Salt and pepper for both sides. Now, get ready for the preparation. First, cover the meat with flour. Next, beaten egg all around it. Then, breadcrumbs. Once again, cover with flour. Beaten egg. Then, breadcrumbs. If you really want the outside is to be thick and crunchy, you double soak it. Just like this, with beaten egg and breadcrumbs. So that you don't even waste the food. Now it's ready to fry. If you want to check the oil is ready to fry, you just sprinkle some breadcrumbs. When you see the breadcrumbs is coming up right away, it's ready. Once you put them in, just leave them almost the whole time. This is the point. You will turn them over, but maybe twice. Otherwise, Leave them in the oil. You just listen to how it makes a sound. When it's getting ready, the sound of frying becomes really light and a little quiet. And when the bubbles get smaller, it's ready. Please be careful not to fry too long. The meat will get hard. The sound is already yummy. This is a sauce I would recommend. The ordinary tonkatsu sauce and mentsu together. I like this more than just the ordinary one. So how was it? This is my favorite recipe in the world. I love it. So once you get these ingredients, you can just make it so easily. Pop, pop, pop. That's it. いただきます。Well, some people don't like to use oil or frying, but if you have this kind of small deep frying pan, if you get ready for this, it's going to be much easier for frying. So just please try it out. The outside is going to be just so crispy, crunchy, and inside is just so juicy tonkatsu. You're gonna enjoy them. So I hope you'll love it. Well, so in the future, I'm going to show you how to make a katsudon using this tonkatsu with onion, egg, and broth. You're gonna love it too. So please look forward to it. So thank you for watching. See you. Bye.